As you all know, I'm obsessed with DIYs. But my love for makeup is no less. I've realized that the key thing for flawless looking makeup is perfect well set lighting. For the vanity mirror, you're going to need white LED strip light. Get it double the size of your mirror, connect it with an adapter and a plug. So this is the mirror that I'm going to be working on. Clear the space out near the mirror. Peel off the backing of LED strip light. And starting from the bottom, go across the edges of the mirror. Once I complete one line, I'm going ahead with the second one so I have enough light. Now just cut the LED strip at the point marked. Connect it to the plug point and that's it. This mirror has turned out to look incredibly pretty. Now you can be rest assured that your makeup will look as good as you want it, as there is no scope for any makeup mishap. I totally suggest you to try it at home yourself. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.